So today's project is this spare bedroom, and there's a few layers to the project that we're doing today. And the first one is the ceiling. Now, this ceiling has a lot of water damage, as you can see. So the first thing and the most important thing you need to do when you need to paint a ceiling that has water damage is find the source of the leak. In this case, we know exactly what caused it and it has been repaired. And we've also had a plasterer come in and patch the ceiling. But as you can see, the ceiling damage is quite extensive. So what we're going to do today is prime it. So the primer that we're going to use today is the Dulux Precision High Opacity Stain Blocker. And given that the ceiling damage and watermarks are so extensive across the whole ceiling, we're going to go through and roll that on and allow it to dry before we come in with our ceiling paint. So once our primer has dried, what we'll do is we'll come in over the top with our Dulux ceiling paint and we'll give that a beautiful fresh finish.